The 2025 Honda Civic Hybrid, a stylish, tech-savvy, and powerful evolution building on the acclaim of the 11th generation Civic, honored as the 2022 North American Car of the Year, the refreshed 2025 Honda Civic introduces enhanced style, cutting-edge technology, and, with its two-motor hybrid powertrain, significantly more power. Positioned at the pinnacle of the Civic lineup and anticipated to achieve an impressive EPA combined fuel economy rating nearing 50 mpg, the new Civic Hybrid, available as both a sedan and hatchback, perfectly marries the Civic's fun-to-drive character with Honda's renowned hybrid system. The 2025 Civic lineup includes 4 trims: the LX, sedan only, Sport, Sport Hybrid, and Sport Touring Hybrid. With hybrid electric models expected to comprise about 40% of Civic sales, this launch is a pivotal step in Honda's strategy toward full electrification. The Civic sedan will be available at dealerships next month, with the hatchback following later this summer. Lance Welfer, Assistant Vice President of Honda National Auto Sales, emphasized the timeliness of the new Civic Hybrid. As hybrid electric sales grow, the Civic Hybrid is a crucial addition, supporting Honda's goal of 100% zero-emissions vehicle sales by 2040. In 2023, our hybrid electric models accounted for over a quarter of our brand sales, and the Civic Hybrid is a fantastic new gateway to our electrified lineup. Honda Civic, a legacy of success. Since its debut in 1973, the Honda Civic has become a staple in the automotive world, with over 12 million units sold in America. It's one of the top 3 best-selling passenger cars in the U.S. and continues to be a favorite among Gen Z buyers, first-time new car buyers, and multicultural customers. Unmatched power and performance. The new Civic Hybrid trims are set to be the most powerful non-Type R Civics ever, boasting a combined 200 horsepower and 232 lb-ft of torque. This results in quick, effortless acceleration and outstanding fuel economy. The driving experience is further enhanced by linear shift control, which simulates the rev feel of a conventional drivetrain, providing even quicker performance than the previous one. 5L turbo-powered Civic. The Honda two-motor hybrid system optimizes efficiency without compromising dynamic performance or space. 4 levels of regenerative braking deceleration, accessible via paddles on the steering wheel, offer a range of control during deceleration. The ride and handling dynamics have been fine-tuned with unique spring and damper settings, and hybrid trims enjoy the lowest NVH levels in the lineup thanks to a comprehensive noise reduction package. Versatile drive modes and enhanced design drivers can switch between selectable drive modes, Econ, Normal, and Sport, with an additional individual mode on the Sport Touring Hybrid to tailor the driving experience. The exterior of the 2025 Civic features a more aggressive front fascia and grille, and darker taillights for a sharper look. Hybrid trims get a distinct body-colored headlamp garnish and front lower spoiler, while new color options like Solar Silver Metallic and Blue Lagoon Pearl enhance its appearance. Inside, the Civic's interior has been refreshed with a new gray color option for hybrids. The Sport Hybrid includes a moonroof, heated front seats, and dual-zone climate control, while the Sport Touring Hybrid adds leather seating, a Bose 12-speaker audio system, a 9-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto trademark, and a wireless smartphone charger. All models now feature front USB-C ports and Google built-in for a connected driving experience. Commitment to safety. The 11th generation Civic continues to lead in safety with advanced technologies such as the Advanced Compatibility Engineering trademark, ACE trademark body structure, designed to protect occupants in frontal collisions. All models feature Honda Sensing registered trademark, a suite of safety and driver-assistive technologies, including Collision Mitigation Braking System trademark, forward collision warning, and adaptive cruise control. Sport models also come with blind spot and rear cross traffic alert. Manufacturing excellence Honda has produced over 11 million Civics in North America, with the 11th generation Civic being manufactured in Ontario, Canada, and Indiana, USA. The two-motor hybrid electric power unit and 2.0-liter engine are built in Ohio. With the reintroduction of the Civic Hybrid, Honda fills the gap left by the discontinuation of the Insight, offering a powerful, fuel-efficient option to compete with the likes of the Toyota Prius. Coming soon. The 2025 Honda Civic Sport Hybrid and Sport Touring Hybrid will hit the market this summer. While official prices are yet to be announced, Honda expects the top-of-the-line hybrids to start below $30,000, with other trims reflecting the current pricing structure. Get ready for a more powerful, efficient, and stylish Civic, continuing Honda's legacy of innovation and excellence.